Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, update Mac OS and plug the Mac in. Next, verify network connectivity by loading a website. If that fails, reboot the router. Once online, open System Settings and go to Apple ID, sign out, wait 30 seconds, then sign back in to refresh tokens. This forces the system to re-authenticate with App Store services. Make sure date and time are set automatically. An incorrect clock blocks secure connections and causes many App Store errors. Once signed in, tackle network resolution and caches. Open Terminal and run sudo killall HUPM DNS responder to flush DNS caching, then change DNS servers to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 in network settings to avoid ISB blocks. Remove App Store caches by deleting the COM. Apple. App Store folders in ~library/caches and /library/caches, then restart the Mac. These steps remove stale certificates. To finish, boot into safe mode by holding Shift during startup. Test the App Store. If it works, a login item or extension was blocking it. Next, reset nvram/pram and the SMC according to your Mac model to clear low-level settings that affect networking. If the App Store still refuses to connect, reinstall macOS over your current installation. This refreshes core system files without erasing data. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: check the host's file and remove any lines blocking Apple, COM or iTunes, Apple, COM, then reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.